Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in. Today we're making this very saucy, very delicious looking Dodo. If you don't know what Dodo is Gizzard and Dodo recipe. Alright, so if you don't mind, kindly watch this video to the end. I will appreciate, and let's make it together. Here I have some garlic and some gizzards, as you can see. So I already chopped the garlic. I'm just going to put it on top of the gizzard. Some rosemary, salt to taste, some curry powder, and I'll stir that together. So feel free to add more seasonings, but since I'm going to be making a sauce later, I'm just trying to keep it simple right now. So I'm closing this and I'm going to just bring it to a boil. As it's cooking, I'm just stirring it to make sure the ones at the bottom they cook properly and the ones on top, just to make sure everything is well done. At this point it's done, so I'm going to be taking it out of the water, drain it, and I'll have to set it aside. And that's it. So next I'm going to be preparing the plantain. What I basically do is just wash the plantains, cut them up, salt them a little bit, and fry them. Now it's frying already, as you can see. So I'm just going to fry this till it's golden brown on medium heat, not very high heat, because if you use high heat it won't cook through. So I'm using medium heat here. Now it's ready. It's been cooking for like 10 minutes. I took it out of the oil and now I'm adding the gizzards that I already cooked. So I'm just going to let this fry till it's really golden. This is not golden brown, till it's really crispy brown. Then I'll take it out of the oil. Now it's time to prepare the sauce with the oil. In the same oil, I'm adding already cut up garlic and some onions. And some Scotch bonnet pepper. And this is our tomatoes that I'm going to be adding. So I'm just going to pour that into the oil. Already blended tomatoes. And I'll let that cook for a while on medium-low heat. So this has been cooking like this for about 15 minutes to take out the sour taste. So now I'm adding some curry and knorr cubes. Feel free to add more seasonings or salt or bouillon or whatever you like. You can just add it at this point. Now it's done. So at this point I have a lot of stew, so I'm just going to take away some portion of it because I'm going to be using it for something else. And I'm going to drain the oil too. Now it's ready. I have to pour my already fried gizzards into the sauce and my plantain, and I'll mix all that yummy goodness together. So I want to say thank you all to everyone who has watched my videos to this point. I really appreciate you all. So I just kept on stirring that till it's all done. And I added the remaining plantain. And I made sure the sauce went round the gizzards and the plantain. And finally, just to garnish, I'm just going to be adding some green and red bell peppers that are already cut up. You can tell from it that the taste of this is just unspeakable. Delish. At this point, you can tell that the sauce has gone round. So it's now time to incorporate my peppers. Right here, I have this colorful bowl with red, green, and yellow peppers. I'm just going to add that. And after 20 seconds, I'm bringing it down because I love my peppers really, really crunchy. So I want to say thank you all to all those who have watched my video till this point. I really appreciate you. Thank you, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye for now.